Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an extra Wi-Fi router. First, let's understand the simplest method, using your secondary router as an access point. This approach expands your existing Wi-Fi coverage without creating a separate network or complex configurations. It's perfect for eliminating dead zones and improving signal strength throughout your home or office. We'll cover the easy steps to get you connected quickly. The easiest way to add another router is by setting it up as an access point. This mode allows it to simply extend your current Wi-Fi signal rather than creating a new, separate network. It prevents common issues like double NAT, which can slow down your internet performance. You'll essentially be turning your extra router into a powerful Wi-Fi extender, boosting coverage effectively. Now for the physical connection. First, power on your secondary router. Next, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to any available LAN port on your main router. Then, plug the other end of that same cable into a LAN port on your secondary router. It's crucial to use a LAN port, not the WAN or Internet port, on the secondary device. Finally, let's configure and test. Access your secondary router settings, usually by typing its IP address into a browser. Change its IP address to one within your main network's range, but outside its DHCP pool, for example, 192, 168, 1, 2. Then, set your desired Wi-Fi name and password. Once saved, test the new network to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.